to update an existing record is only a little bit trickier than the insert we've just done. First, we'll modify our earlier script, which selected a company from a drop-down list, and we'll save this as companyedit.php in the forms directory. This will post the company ID to a new script called companyEditForm, which will provide a text edit box for each field in the company record for the selected ID in the previous form. A save button on the form will post the edited values to companyUpdate.php, which uses the SQL update statement to save the field values. So we're now talking about 3 scripts in all, and let's have a look at them. In a fresh code pane, open the snippets, examplets, forms, post, company edit, and save this, making sure to save it in the forms directory because we've previously been in the top level htdocs directory. Save it as companyedit.php. Again, in a fresh code pane, load the snippet companyEditForm and save this in the forms directory. And finally, in a fresh code pane, load the snippet companyUpdate and save it as companyUpdate.php in the forms directory. We now have our 3 scripts, one to simply present us with a drop-down menu, and let's collapse the bits we fully understand. So that will simply create a select statement selecting company ID, prename and name from tcompany and order by name. It'll run the MySQL query and will create a form that comprises simply a select drop-down with each option being the option with the value ID, the field ID from tcompany, and the display name, full company name, and of course a submit button. Let's have a look at that. We open up the forms directory and refresh it. We'll find company edit. And yes, as we expected, a drop down of companies with the submit button. And we can quit to homepage. But of course, homepage doesn't yet show us this new company edit script. So open the homepage, which is the index.php file. Go to snippets, project, index, and underneath the link that we previously created to company create, underneath that link, paste index.php02, which is a link to the company edit script. Save index and refresh it on your browser. And now we have a link to company edit. Looking at the second script, again collapse the header and the connection script. We have a component that gets the company details, and we have a form that posts the company details.